Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify segment workspace connections and event destinations, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying segment workspace connections and event destinations, log in to your segment account. Navigate to the Workspaces section from the main dashboard. Select the specific workspace you want to verify. In the workspace, click on the Connections tab to view your current connections. Review the list of sources, destinations, and any integrations present. Identify the specific source you wish to verify. Click on the source to open its settings. Check if the source is active and connected properly. Next, confirm that the necessary permissions are granted for the source. Return to the Connections tab and locate the destination you want to verify. Click on the destination to view its configuration settings. Ensure that the destination is connected and all required fields are filled out. Check for any error messages or alerts concerning the destination. Run a test event by sending data from the source to the destination. Monitor the logs to see if the event appears in the destination. If issues arise, check the documentation for troubleshooting steps. Revisit the source settings to verify the connection details. Confirm that the data format aligns with the destination's requirements. After verifying both the source and destination, ensure that everything is functioning as intended. Consider setting up alerts for future connection issues. Document any changes made during the verification process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.